Armadale Farm is a traditional hill farm, and it was one of the first sheep farms in Sutherland in 1791, and it has had a continuous flock of ewes on it since then. So now we have some cattle, sheep, and we have a couple of holiday lets as well.
I was invited to a meeting with the Full Country Partnership to discuss options for the farm, and one of the outcomes from those discussions was that I agreed to do habitat mapping in support of an agri-environment scheme, but also mapping peatland restoration opportunities on the ground.
I started taking an interest in peatland restoration probably about 2020 during COVID lockdowns, and I was seeing more and more of it happening, and I didn't understand it, but I knew it was something that I wanted to get involved in. Because we have a lot of peatland that was requiring restored, a lot of hill drains, up to 210 kilometres of hill drains, it was an easy place to come in and it had good access. That's why I got involved in the pilot, because it was a good starting place to show as well what could be done in the flow country.
The peatland restoration we undertook here started on about the 20th of August in 2024, and the works took 12 weeks, pretty much exactly, bang on 12 weeks in fact. And that was mainly drain blocking via peat dams and some drain zippering as well. And there was some hag reprofiling, but it was mainly drains.
So to date on the farm in phase one, there's been sort of around 600 hectares of peatland restoration completed, and then next year we'll finish up with sort of remaining 250 roughly hectares left.
The contractors we're using, they're local contractors, so the diesel that they use to get out here is bought from local petrol stations. The food that they eat, their children go to the nurseries around here, the schools. So we're really, really focused on the circular economy.
The aim of the Full Country Partnership is to maximise those benefits of peatland restoration locally as much as possible, so I think that's a really important benefit of it.
It's benefited our business quite greatly, because we do a lot of estate and forestry works throughout the summer, but the winter months were always a bit slow for work, as it were, and this has kind of filled in that gap.
So today we're at Armadale Farm, and Joyce has really kindly agreed to take us out and show us the restored peatland. We've just invited a range of people in the local area around who might be interested, in terms of landowners and contractors and people who are just interested in the peatland restoration, and then just to talk about the potential for peatland restoration in this area in general.
The benefits of the peatland restoration work on the farm is that I reduced my black loss in the first year already. I've had much less losses of sheep stuck in drains and been drowned, which is not a great place to be as a shepherd. I'm hoping that nature is restored. I am wanting to future-proof my business. In the future, if a carbon tax or I get penalties for emitting carbon from modified drains, that I'm reducing that impact on my business and on the land that I'm managing. And I want to do it because I feel like, for me, it's the right thing to do.